Thank you, Rena. Bonjour. Good morning. It's exciting to be here today. I attended the first bio meeting 10 years ago and saw the dreams. And it's good to see that we're moving these dreams forward. On behalf of my co-editor-in-chief, Glenn Netwin, my executive editor, Vicky Glasser, I would like to thank Bio for giving me this opportunity to share with you our journal, Industrial Biotechnology. IB, as we call it, evolved out of the Bio World Congress. About 8 years ago, Brent Erickson, our consulting editor, Glenn and I sat down and said, we need to have a journal to capture the excitement and the dreams of industrial biotechnology. And that has been the goal of the journal over the past 8 years. We wanted to catch the essence of a dynamic innovation space that was rapidly unfolding, continues to rapidly unfold, and this is what we want to do with the journal. Now, at the core of this excitement for all of us is the great advances that we've seen in the life sciences over the last 20, 25 years. It's those advances that gives me hope that we can address some of the grand challenges of sustainable human development. Thus, we want to make sure that in our journal, we capture some of the exciting research, basic, applied, and share that with our community. But I think we'll all agree, innovation is not just about good science and good technology. Innovation comes about by deploying science and technology for a mission. And what has resonated with me and Bio over the years is the mission. And you hear it over and over again. We want to deploy industrial biotechnology for sustainable human development. So for me, it's a noble goal being taken on by noble people, and it doesn't get any better than this. Thus, our journal is trying to capture those elements of business development, markets, through a series of platforms in the journal, whether it be catalyzing innovation, where we want folks to share with us how they develop innovation ecologies to solve problems. We think that's important. And we want to have successful stories that we share around the world. We also like to hear about policy. We have a policy forum. I think we all agree that an uneven policy landscape can complicate our abilities to develop products for markets. Markets are constantly shifting, and I think we'll all agree that the current energy situation with fracking and other developments in oil are making it a little bit challenging for us. And so we need to know how to maneuver across this undulating landscape. And this is why it's so important that we share perspective, and this is what I'm here to ask you for. I believe that we're going to have to innovate at an unprecedented rate in order for us to meet some of these sustainability challenges. That will require cooperation between academia, industry, government, NGOs. We like our journal to serve as a platform for capturing that collaboration, and we need your help to do this. So as you go back home and talk with your colleagues, think about places where you can have original papers show up in our journal. Think about policy forums that you would like to share with the community. Think about sharing with us your innovation ecologies and strategy. That would be very helpful. Never forget the dream. That is important. But also realize that for dreams to happen, you have to roll up your sleeve and work at it. Thank you very much.